A technical team in Lanzhou, northwest China's Gansu province, has digitally restored 3 ancient military strongholds along the Great Wall built in the Ming Dynasty. With the help of the Beidou navigation satellite system and advanced technologies such as dynamic modeling and augmented reality, the Great Wall relics and the people's life of more than 400 years ago have been restored.
通过前期古籍文献的资料考证以及到文化遗址的现场，我们进行了田野调查，然后对我们长城就是中山新边沿线的这种3个典型的军事堡寨做到了整体性的复原。通过这种全景呈现呢，来让我们去的人不光是看到它现在这种遗迹，还能瞬间穿越历史，能看到它当时历史的原貌，增强了我们大家对我们长城国家文化的这种历史文化的这种认识。
The length of the Great Wall sections in Gansu stands at 3,654 kilometers, the second longest in the country.